Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a stellar performer in the pre-built gaming PC space, the Skytech Nebula desktop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price available. Rocket emoji, built for speed, designed for gamers. At its core, the Ryzen 7 5700 is an 8-core, 16-thread beast that runs at 3.7 GHz base and boosts up to 4.6 GHz. It delivers snappy responsiveness across gaming, streaming, and content creation. Whether you're battling in Apex Legends, editing a YouTube video, or running multiple apps, this CPU handles it all with ease. Video game emoji, RTX 5060 16GB, next-gen gaming, ready to dominate. The RTX 5060 with 16GB VRAM brings DLSS 3, real-time ray tracing, and AI-powered frame generation into the mid-range segment. It shreds 1080p and handles 1440p ultra settings with ease, even dipping into entry-level 4K. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, Warzone, and Fortnite run buttery smooth. High-voltage sign emoji, 32GB DDR4 plus Gen4 SSD equals zero lag, instant loads. Skytech went all out with 32GB DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, perfect for multitasking, streaming, and modern workloads. Pair that with a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, and you're looking at blazing fast boot times, instant file access, and enough space for all your favorite games and apps. Electric plug emoji, 650 watts Gold PSU plus upgrade-ready design. Powering this beast is a 650 watts 80+ gold power supply, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery, with headroom for future upgrades. The system is built in a stylish RGB mid-tower case with excellent airflow, toolless access, and ample room for GPU or storage expansion. Satellite antenna emoji, Wi-Fi ready plus clean cable management. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, making it ready for wireless setups right out of the box. And let's talk about aesthetics. The interior cable management is clean, the RGB fans pop, and the overall look is clean, modern, and gamer-approved. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict. The Skytech Nebula offers top-tier performance and long-term value in one package. Whether you're gaming competitively, streaming on Twitch, editing content, or simply want a system that doesn't bottleneck, this is a plug-and-play powerhouse that delivers. White check mark emoji, pros. Black check mark emoji, powerful Ryzen 7 5700 CPU, black check mark emoji, RTX 5060 16GB with DLSS 3 and ray tracing. Black check mark emoji, massive 32GB RAM plus 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. Black check mark emoji, great airflow and RGB aesthetics. Black check mark emoji, future ready with 650 watts Gold PSU. Black check mark emoji, Wi-Fi built-in, ready to roll. Cross mark emoji, cons. Black exclamation mark emoji, no liquid cooling, air cooling is solid though. Black exclamation mark emoji, not the latest DDR5, but 32GB DDR4 still performs great. Bullseye emoji, ideal for competitive and casual gamers, streamers and content creators, users who want power and upgrade flexibility, buyers seeking value without building from scratch. Fire emoji, looking to dominate your game and multitask like a pro. Right pointing finger emoji, check the best deal for the Skytech Nebula on Amazon. Don't wait, top tier rigs like this don't stay in stock for long.